That's an old Canary M679. An old RH113. This is a good pair.
Good.
This is back in 207, I guess. Yeah, 207.
So they had a good breeding life too. They're doing good.
Yeah, 8 years ago. Can you hear that roller? Yeah. There. Hear that roller?
I like how all of them are so unique. One thing or two things you pick out each one. They got their own little.
That's what I was thinking. I should put something like that, a cage in the house and take each one in there and listen to it. That's his dad, that old yellow roller in there. I thought he was going to be gone by now, but he seemed like he perked up a little. So
Hold on pretty well.
I'll see if he holds on to do anything in a month or two at the nest or not.
Which one is he? Back here, an older one?
The old roller.
The old one, okay.
And then the son of that one is down in here, this yellow roller, and then those two there are out of this son down here. So that roller is the granddad for those two. And this is the great granddad. And these three yellow ones, I don't know what the line is on them is.
Well, you might let a few slip around.